Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening contacts or tapping contacts inside phone so you can act immediately. Once you see the contact list, use the search bar to find the person you want to remove. This saves time when you have many entries. Make sure to glance at the account label under the contact name so you know whether it's stored in iCloud, Gmail, or another account, because where it's stored determines whether deletion syncs across devices. Tap the contact to open details, then tap Edit in the top right to access deletion controls. Scroll all the way down and tap Delete Contact, then confirm by tapping Delete Contact again. This two-step confirmation prevents mistakes. Repeat this process for each entry you want gone. Note that the built-in contacts app deletes individually. There's no multi-select native option, so if you need bulk removal, you'll use the account web interface or a third-party tool for faster selection. Once done, make sure the deletion's synced by checking the account under Settings Contacts Accounts or by viewing groups in Contacts. If the entry still shows up, it's likely stored in a connected account. In that case, sign into iCloud, Com, or the Gmail web interface and delete the contact there so the change propagates to your phone. If things still look wrong, toggle contacts off and on for that account or restart the device to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.